splashing fun at the park. It was a sunny day. The warm sunlight filled the air with a sweet scent. Bingo went to the park with Daddy and Mommy. There was a small fountain in the park, splashing water high into the sky. Bingo curiously walked closer to the fountain, gently touching the water with his paw. Suddenly, a big splash of water sprayed right onto Bingo's face. At first, Bingo was startled, his ears twitching. But then, he burst into laughter. Daddy and Mommy laughed too, holding Bingo's paws and dancing through the splashing water. Water splashed, laughter echoed, and sunlight danced with them. After playing, they sat under a big shady tree to rest. A cool breeze gently blew by. Bingo snuggled against Daddy's leg and closed his eyes. It was such a happy and wonderful day. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to subscribe.